2012 will receive a crown, a robe, a scepter, a lei, a certificate, a trophy, and a sauce. So, our Prince of the Night goes to from 6,840 points.
Wow, ang dami.
Okay. From the grade 2. From the grade 2. Orange. Our Prince of the Night. Prince of the Night. Okay, guys, sabay na rin daw natin yung Princess of the Night natin.
Okay. Yung Princess of the Night 2012. Ayan, no? Princess of the Night 2012 has a points of
2,933 points.
Came
To be awarded by Mr. Angelito P. Maniego and of course our principal, Miss Bernadette Chongco.
Ayan. Pagkatapos po, huwag munang aalis sina Sir McLean, Sir Baranel. Yan. Siyempre, Daddy, yes is no. Ayan. Ayan.
Congratulations. Ma'am, announce na natin daw yung princess natin.
Ay, i-announce na pala yung princess. Princess of the Night 2012 goes to the grade 1.
Grade 1!
Grade 1!
Grade 1!
Grade 1!
Okay, next one.
Yes!
Our grade 1.
Daddy Richard!
Smile!
Oo, akala ko kasi Justin yun eh. Akala ko Jenny.
Justin Bieber. Guys!
Last announcement.
Tikit kayo na.
Di ba lang yung